We made it out to Park City, Kentucky, and we have found something special for you guys. You're gonna love this.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Welcome to Bell's Tavern. It was built in the 1800s originally as an inn for the well-heeled and the, scoundrels as well. In other words, it was a party place.
This is the front of it. If you look over here to the left, you'll see the big boulder. I really believe that might have been the front door because it comes into a cavernous area that is most likely a basement with a first floor and then a second floor if you see the windows up there. But as you follow it around, this main area could have been the tavern part, but all of these windows suggest to me that was pretty good size actually inn for people to stay. Coming here before, right at the time Mammoth Cave was actually popular, you can see all the windows high up here that were probably additional rooms. Actually, this is a big place.
It burned down right before the Civil War, and though the people that owned it wanted to bring it back to its magnificence, evidently at one time was something to see. Now it's just a large pit full of weeds and awesome stones. This is fantastic. Here's a little bit of information in case you want to take a screenshot. Look at the layers and layers of walls. It's amazing how the rock walls have come crumbling down. It looks so strong.
If you can look around this particular window, if you notice the heavy blocks, squares of how the support for the window was back then and then the smaller ones, you can just see that had to be a window.
I think that was a window. You might be able to tell we're not architects.
Because it was built as an inn. I mean, look, these are all windows.
We so wish we could get in there, but we can't. We're trying to figure out what was the door, what were windows, what was a room, and it's just not that easy to tell on this side of the fence. But you must stay on this side of the fence. If you're going to looky-loo, you got to do it from this side of the fence. What, hon?
You can tell that's part of a fireplace, the back end of a fireplace. That was probably on the other side.
I like this part right here. What?
That is part of a fireplace.
Yeah, that is right there.
But look at all these windows. There's windows on top and bottom. So there were rooms on the bottom and the top, and they were probably small.
I think upstairs were probably the high-dollar rooms, maybe.
Well, they said it was for the people that could really pay the money to come and stay here. But then when it got turned into a tavern, I think it went to a little bit less.
Yeah, it became seedy. Became a tavern. See the tree growing way up there? It's growing out of the brick or mortar, whatever it is.
Look, this is
concrete. Where? Hallway? We're trying to decipher this together. We have no idea.
That's got to be a hallway between the tavern.
Oh yeah,
the entrance,
stairway down.
Doorways going into the rooms that were on this first floor.
If ever there were a time we wanted a drone, now would be the time. We can't get in there. We just don't feel we can do it justice outside the fence. This is just so awesome.
Oh wow, this is a bed and breakfast that was built in 1885. There's also bike and hike trailheads behind this that go back into the woods. This is beautiful. Their exit sign is a bicycle. Love it. It was the Minst Hotel. I'll have to look that up. Wow.
They got a pretty darn cool entrance too.